When a jungle gym for enthusiastic gamers, Axie limitlessness has turned into a milestone for monetary gauges. With its novel mix of delightful beasts and blockchain tech, Axie limitlessness has dazzled millions. Yet, what does the future hold for the Axie's token cost? Go along with us as we unwind the secrets and foresee the destiny of this computerized wonderland. Axie Boundlessness Value Forecast 2024. Axie Boundlessness Cost Forecast 2024 changes generally, with some recommending a recuperation to $14.79 and others foreseeing a plunge to $4.12. Axie Value Expectation 2025. In light of Axie Boundlessness Cost Forecast for 2025, we expect that the greatest value level of Axie's coin could be around $9.07. On the disadvantage, the Axie Boundlessness cost might drop to at least $13.85. Axie Endlessness Coin Value Forecast 2030. The Axie Endlessness cost expectation for 2030 territories from $41.34 to $59.51. In view of our Axie cost forecast, the cost of Axie Boundlessness could raise a ruckus around town mark on the off chance that it arrives at the upper cost target. What is Axie Endlessness Axie? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie Vastness is based on the Ethereum ETH organization. There are limitless approaches to procuring Axie. However, being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, i.e. blockchain remunerating players for commitment, is completely unbelievable in the realm of Axie Vastness. Axie Limitlessness environment is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and fabricate utilizing cryptographic money. Players can acquire the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight non-fungible token NFT games have acquired colossal notoriety around the world. Consequently, this might support the general development of the Axie environment and ETH, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. From one perspective, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion time. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out work open doors for the general population and constructs a mood of a solid local area cutting the guide to a reasonable stage. Clients can claim the local Axie limitlessness of the Axie Commercial Center, gather them, and use them across an always extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie Endlessness Convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The benefits of blockchain go past boundaries and the impediments of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie Limitlessness Axie is set to make lives more enabled and speedy. Axie Endlessness Specialized Examination. With a market cap of $116,599,404 and an exchanging volume of $59,427,595, Axie Endlessness ongoing cost activity mirrors a recuperation. The Axie Boundlessness cost weights around $7.45, with an untouched high and low of $165.37 and $0.1234 separately in the crypto market. Axie Endlessness has an ongoing circling supply of 137,221 Axie, and the originators behind Axie Vastness are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie Boundlessness has a great deal of vows to view for its fans according to their specialized examination. As per specialized investigation, Axie tokens have been exchanging negatively. In the wake of stirring things up around town, the token revised hugely and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Nonetheless, the future cost of Axie Limitlessness Axie is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Will Axie Boundlessness recuperate in 2024? Axie Boundlessness 2024 standpoint conveys mindful idealism for a steady recuperation. Positive pointers, collaborations, and potential market patterns recommend a vertical move, for certain experts anticipating costs coming to $15 or even $20 by the end of the year. Nonetheless, challenges like rivalry, financial variables, and supportability concerns remain obstacles to survive. In this way, while an undeniable flood to its unsurpassed high appears to be far-fetched, Axie's 2024 excursion holds the potential for a gradual climb, making it a game worth observing intently. As indicated by Gov Capital, Axie Boundlessness has a promising future. It is anticipated that the cost of Axie Endlessness might skyrocket to $44, making it a wise venture relatively soon. Simultaneously, Digital Coin Prices forecast recommends that the cost of Axie is supposed to cross the degree of $15.68. Before the year's over, Axie Endlessness is supposed to arrive at the very least charge of $6.38. What's more, the Axie cost is equipped for getting a most extreme degree of $16.05. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2024. Axie Endlessness is ready for a bounce back in 2024, with our Axie expectations anticipating that the cost should move as high as $14.79. Indeed, even a moderate gauge puts the floor at $4.12, with a typical nearer to $9.40. Axie's financial backers can probably anticipate positive returns throughout the year. Axie Value Forecast 2025. In view of the verifiable value developments of Axie Boundlessness, the yearly low Axie Limitlessness cost expectation for 2025 is assessed at $13.85. In the meantime, the cost of Axie Endlessness is anticipated to reach as high as $99.7 in 2025. Axie Coin Value Expectation 2026. According to the Axie Endlessness conjecture, the Axie coins could arrive at the greatest worth of $23.44, with a base cost of $16.28. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $19.86. In view of our cost expectations, the Axie Boundlessness coin's cost ascend for the year may be colossal. Axie Crypto Value Expectation 2027. In light of the specialized examination and Axie Vastness forecast, the digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $25.24. In examination, the base and most extreme costs of Axie are expected to be $20.69 and $29.79. Axie Limitlessness Coin Value Forecast 2028. As per our Axie Endlessness forecast, the greatest worth is expected to be $37.52, while the potential low might be around $26.06. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $31.79 all year long. Axie Boundlessness Coin Expectation 2029. When it is 2029, the possible high of the coin might have reached $46.71, according to our Axie Limitlessness crypto cost expectation. Taking a gander at the past presentation of the Axie Limitlessness Axe, the base and normal costs might be around $32.45 and $39.58, separately. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2030. In view of Axe coin cost expectation for 2030, the base, most extreme, and normal costs are anticipated to be $41.34, $59.51, and $50.43, separately. In 2030, the general cost change for Axes may be dramatic. Is it beneficial to put resources into Axie Vastness Axe? In light of the Axie cost expectation, it tends to be presumed that it is productive to put resources into Axie Vastness as long as possible. By 2030, the normal cost of Axie Boundlessness is supposed to be around $59.51. Our Axie Endlessness cost estimate most certainly shows that the token might have a sluggish development rate, yet the computerized money will ascend from now on. Where to purchase Axie Limitlessness Axe? Axie Boundlessness Axe is accessible to exchange on major crypto trades like Binance, Huobi Worldwide, FTX, KuCoin, and so forth. There are no immediate fiat buy choices for Axe. You want to purchase Bitcoin with government-issued currency, which can the what will Axe be worth in 2025? As per our Axie cost forecast, by 2025, the normal cost of Axie Limitlessness might be around $16